Hello students, today we will solve one numerical on the topic motion of objects under gravitational force. So I will give you a basic idea of how you have to calculate initial velocity, final velocity, time taken or the distance covered. Now whenever during free fall, whenever any object is dropped from rest, then its initial velocity is taken as 0. You have any object or ball here and you are dropping it from rest. So if you are dropping it from rest, its initial velocity, that is u, will be equal to 0. V, that is final velocity with which it hits the ground, it will have certain value. G will be equal to positive 9.8 meter per second square. And why it is positive? Since G is in the direction of motion of object, it is taken as positive. Now acceleration due to gravity, that is G is acting downwards and the motion of the ball is also downward. So when G is in the direction of motion, it is taken as positive. When G is against the direction of motion, then it is taken as negative. So here we will take positive 9.8 meter per second square. When an object is thrown upwards, if you have a ball and you are throwing it upwards, then it will have, throwing means it will have certain value of initial velocity, but its final velocity will be 0. So in this case, when you are throwing a ball upwards, its final velocity, that is v, is equal to 0. Initial velocity will have certain value and g will be taken as minus 9.8 meter per second square. You have to take here minus negative 9.8 meter per second square, since it is against the direction of motion of object. Now the question is, a ball is thrown upwards to the thrower and it returns after 6 seconds. Find the velocity with which it was thrown up, B, the maximum height it reaches, and C, its position after 4 seconds. So you have a ball here and you are throwing it upwards and it returns, it goes to the maximum height and then returns, and this distance, total distance covered, the time taken is 6 seconds. So what is the time taken to reach the highest point? The time taken to reach the highest point will be 3 seconds, half of the total time taken. So in the first case, you have to find the velocity with which it was thrown up. So you have to find the value of u. Now see here, time to reach the maximum height is 3 सेकेंड, बिकॉज टोटल टाइम उसे ऊपर जाने में और फिर नीचे आने में टोटल टाइम लग रहा है 6 सेकेंड, तो ऊपर तक जाने में उसे हाफ टाइम लगेगा, दैट इज़ 3 सेकेंड. v विल बी इक्वल टू 0, बॉल यहाँ पर थी और यहाँ पर उसका v कितना जाएगा, फाइनल वेलोसिटी विल बी इक्वल टू 0. a विल बी टेकन एज 9.8 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, बिकॉज acceleration due to gravity is acting downward and motion is in the up direction, so they are opposite. So a will be equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. Putting the values in this formula, v is equal to u plus at. Instead of a, we will write here g. Substituting the values, you will get the velocity 29.4 meter per second square. So this is first part, velocity. Second part, you have to find the maximum height it reaches. So you can use the formula v square is equal to u square minus 2as. क्लियर. v स्क्वायर मैक्सिमम हाइट इट रीचेस, यहाँ पर बॉल है और उसकी हाइट फाइंड करनी है, मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस एस यू हैव टू फाइंड. मैक्सिमम हाइट पे उसकी जो फाइनल वेलोसिटी हो जाएगी वो जाएगी 0. सो हियर यू हैव टू पुट हियर 0. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी वी हैव जस्ट कैलकुलेटेड 29.4 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू, ना बॉल ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है तो a रखेंगे माइनस 9.8 एंड यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट s. सो s यू विल गेट फ्रॉम हियर, इट इज़ 44.1 meter. Third part is the time taken. In this case you have to find out what will be the distance covered in 4 seconds. Let us see the third part of this, its position after 4 seconds. So you have to find the position after 4 seconds. 4 सेकेंड के बाद पोजीशन कहाँ पर होगी, देखो 3 सेकेंड इट टुक टू रीच द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट, दैट मीन्स आफ्टर 4 सेकेंड इट मस्ट बी कमिंग डाउन। अब वो कितना नीचे पहुँचा है वो फाइंड तुम्हें करना है। सो टोटल टाइम इज़ 4 सेकेंड, in 4 seconds you have to find its position. 3 seconds it reached the maximum height, and in 1 second it falls from the top. So if you calculate the distance covered in 1 second, you will be able to find out the position of the ball. ये फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस हाफ इंटू जी वैल्यू इज़ 9.8 इंटू 1। बिकॉज द बॉल इज़ कमिंग डाउन तो g को हम पॉजिटिव लेंगे, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इस पॉइंट पे हो जाएगी 0 एंड इन टाइम इज़ 1 सेकेंड, यू हैव टू फाइंड इट्स डिस्टेंस, सो इट इज़ 4.9 मीटर फ्रॉम द टॉप। सो यू कैन राइट 4.9 मीटर फ्रॉम द टॉप, or from the bottom you can write the distance in terms if you are finding from the bottom। तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना था, मैक्सिमम हाइट कितनी थी 44.1 मीटर। so if you want to write the distance from the bottom you can write 44.1 minus 4.9, so you will get the distance from the bottom, or you can write 4.9 meter from the top। so that's all in this session. Thank you.